guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Oshikuku Town Lodge, and then we are just making a video on the event that was prepared by Ashuru Farmer Association, our own agriculture office, and other stakeholders, including, and it was funded by Agribank. So I hope you enjoy the content in here. Unfortunately, most of the content is going to be in Oshiwambo, but then we have some English in and there. Like we have a good presentation of meatball in English and also other stakeholders. So enjoy. Now I lost most of the audio for this event, but then here I gave my presentation. My presentation was on the importance of agriculture for the nation, for the community, and for the area of Oshikuku. So I spoke about being prepared for drought, and then I spoke about doing backyard gardening. I spoke about different topic, and then now we have one other presentation from our regional office, our chief here, our supervisor. So he was just also talking about how to make the feed for animal using hydroponic, which is one of the things that we are teaching people to do so that they can save their animal. As most of the people you can see here, they are old tate and memes, and they keep goats, sheep and cattle. So it was important for them to know this. And like we also invited some learners from Pua Combined School to come and listen to this wonderful presentation. This is the chairperson for Ashuru Farm Association, Mr. Peter. He also gave his presentation, which was also encouraging farmer to make up a plan, like on how to overcome this drought that we are experiencing in our area this year. He was also talking about, and then the next one we have a presentation from Agribank, where he was telling us about activities that are being done by this one, and was talking mostly about the funding for this Agribank give funding to the farmers. Whether you want to start up, they give loans. And then here is our former mayor, Mr. Munganjera. He was also having just another presentation, just encouraging farmers. This is a happy man, and he loves farming. So he also keep plants and animals. But then he's a lovely human being. Then Mr. Pendukane was still reinforcing on how to, when you start up, you need funding so that you can expand. For we have that privilege from Agribank. It's an agricultural bank of Namibia. You can go there. Anyone is welcome to go there and see if you qualify, whether you want to start up or you want to increase. You can see which type of loan you are qualified for. And then here we have Mr. Nampira. We have Thomas Akoko. He is from Nampira Green Scheme. And then he was talking about the importance of grafting, propagation, aerating. In our next video that we are going to give is going to be having how to do some activities that were done with him. He is very good at this. And then he was just encouraging farmers, like they should venture into tree planting, and then especially fruit trees, so that they can have their own food, and then also to supply to the shops, for we have fewer And then here we have now the owner for the place. For we held this one in Oshikuku Town Lodge. This is the owner for these are the teachers. They have a vocational for agriculture, refrigeration, counseling. So these are the teachers. The teachers, this one from the yellow one, and these are some of the learners that are attending this location. So they are wearing their gear. this is Mr. John Nutoni. He's from Board of Namibia. It's an organization for farmers again. And then he was just talking about stock branding. If you need information about stock branding, we'll link down his phone down below. Or you want, they are the one who gives a stock brand to farmers. And then they are the one also selling, currently selling the ear tags to farmers. They also arrange some auction and other activity. They do so much for the farmers. So this is the right guy. He's based at Ongodiva, at Ministry of Agriculture. So whenever you want something about cows or animals, he's the right person.
Pano ndilipo na nambero okihangano jo agribenka teta tulombranga kucha Oshikuku muno kuyamonana nena ira moshike
yaro tango nanditseite kukyo ngutakopyo penduke nyamnyera okulio omenta yo agribenga eno shina kuwanisa shokuganyo muyerere kana farama Omusati oshana ohangwena regiona no marupita hadisi kiko shikoto no show ko kuninge region nina Oshikuku otweapo oshokatse onga agribenga mama yo vigani nomlongo na khayari agribenga bayari atoto o division andero taita no agri advisory services division o division njinoina oshina kuwanitwa shokuganja o madheuro ndara shiko kuweda pomano kuchana farama mukhota nyukhia opumutare po ombero ya agribenga muone omikuli do pevierera amanga ino ya kompanga imwe yiri uka indire omkuli tango matukira ko agribenga shashike omkuli we wapamba una mapyanuni muna o ihohera yetu ili pevine hondo adike kuna mato ipewa lwali agribenga okulirepo oshiwana ye ombanga yoshiwana ongodi yanje ingwandi po pimpano o nora no hetatu no imwe ombali no imwe o hamano no ndatu ombali eliali no heali ngiro haroma were na shano mikuli otoburo kudengera nje nenge totumine njashike okasenesa yalo tangi
unene tatipendukeni